Hey everyone, welcome back. If Google Voice Search is not working, do not worry. This is a common issue and easy to fix. First, check if your microphone permission is enabled in your settings. Go to settings, then search for Google and check whether you have enabled microphone access in Google or not. Then make sure your internet connection is voice search needs online access. Now, check your microphone by recording a short voice note to confirm that it is working. If it still does not work, restart your phone and try again. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Google and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because updates often fix voice issues. Also, check if Google Assistant is enabled in settings. Now your Google Voice Search should work properly. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.